Relief valves are divided usually into three categories. The first one being is the conventional relief valves, balanced bellows relief valves, and pilot operated relief valves. Now let us try to first understand about conventional relief valve. So for selection of conventional relief valves, imagine here's your conventional relief valve with your inlet and outlet connected to the piping. The most important thumb rule while selecting relief valves is basically the back pressure factor. The back pressure is the pressure which is acting on the downstream of the piping to your relief valve outlet. Now, in this case, for conventional relief valve, the back pressure should be less than 10% of your set pressure. This is your basic thumb rule for selecting. So, for example, if your set pressure is 100 psig, your back pressure should be less than 10 psig. This is your rule for selecting a conventional relief valve. Now, when you want to select a balanced bellows relief valve, the back pressure should be less than 50% of your set pressure. And for pilot operated relief valves, the back pressure can be close to what is your set pressure. Ideally or theoretically, it could be 100%, but vendors would surely provide you certain limitations. But for sure, when your back pressure is greater than 50%, you have to go for a pilot operated relief valve. Now let's quickly try to summarize what we have learned. First thing is relief valve is divided into various categories like conventional relief valves, then you have is balanced bellows relief valves, and finally you're having is pilot operated relief valves. In trying to select amongst these, one of the most important criteria is the back pressure factor. And for conventional relief valve, the back pressure should be less than 10% of set pressure. For a balanced bellows relief valve, the back pressure must be less than 50% of the set pressure. And for a pilot operated relief valve, the back pressure should be around somewhere, it could be near the set pressure as per vendor recommendation. So I hope you have liked this video. There are more criteria to be concerned when you're trying to select a relief valve, but this is one of the most important criteria. Thank you for watching, and let's meet next Saturday and learn something new again.